سلام حواتينكم عبد السلام تمرسكم أنا سمرت رسم يبهل مبارك لكم معلتن تقولكم زلخو بزعبة فتنسيو دحري كتور حقاني نكابتشين على النمو معلت سومن كأخم تسألكم أنت عينت process ناتي ناي سبورت ديو ناي ميك فيديو قال خميتات كاريوكم يعني أنت عينت process الله مالتي نحجين بزعبة ناي إجري كميجري سارح كاريوكم يمو I hope تفوتوا تخونوا سو نعم مساي
Okay, come down, look forward, stay looking forward, good. Feet back a little bit, right there, good. Okay, keep going. 8, 9, 10, let's get 20 reps. 12, good, 13, 14, 15, stay looking forward, 16, good, 17, 3 more. 18, 19, hold this one for 10 seconds. Okay, yep, underhand, just like that. Come, dead hang, right there, go. Yes, great, yes, perfect. Come on. Yes, good. 6 reps. See, you don't see that. She hasn't done chin-ups in how long?
The last time you and I did it months.
Yeah, it's been probably
4 months.
4 months, and she just did 6 chin-ups. You don't see that very often. Go step back into a lunge. Come up, yes. Go deep, yes. Good. Nice. Good. 2 more. 9, last 1. 10, good. Switch legs. Deep. Good. 5, 6, 7, good job. 8, 2 more. 9, last 1. 10. Your glutes were more muscular this time around than before.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you've gained more muscle mass. Yeah. If someone says you have fake glutes and you don't, and it's real, then you have to just say, hey, thank you. Thanks for it's real, but thanks for the compliment.
But I think a lot of it is like hip thrust and just being here, honestly, 2 days a week.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
why I would do anything to be here and not miss a class.
Yeah.
Because it's a big deal. أرأي حواتي مودي اللهو ناي سبورت لمعتي فتحكم تكونوا عتسا يكبر وموهم أرمكم كا أيترسوا يكم سبورت قبلنا في channel like comment share subscribe to my channel سقعد حركة زيادة سلامي رحبنا تحن وعلو ciao